So you're displaying a behavior that is deemed inappropriate, and you think that I'm going to now look over at you and give you all the attention of the classroom and show everyone that the wrong behavior gets all the attention while there's still people raising their hands, waiting patiently. Alright, so you guys go ahead and tell me. To bring out, okay, I like, what was yours? To bring out the okay. By the way, did you guys get like what just happened? Yeah, awesome, stretch, do whatever you guys did. Did you guys get what just happened? Like how many of you have kids that you want them to raise their hand or this or that, and then 3 teachers, I was literally pointing at you and about to ask you, and then 3 teachers just went, not a chance! Pick me! And I did exactly what I did, that you do that all the time. So all that does is it reinforces, number 1, good job getting my attention. Number 2, by the way, for everybody else, how do you get my attention?
Yeah, screaming out.
Yeah, screaming out. See, now so that was the taste of reality. Not the matrix that our brains tell us, well, you shouldn't do that, and that shouldn't happen, and you should be this way, and that should be that way. I have teachers, I'll do a 2-hour behavior management workshop 1 hour in after I teach this and after I teach that. One teacher goes, okay, I got it, but now I have a question. I'm like, okay, great. I tell my kids not to do something and they do it. I'm like, okay. She's like, that's it. What do I do? Why are they doing it? I'm like, what do you mean? Like, what else do you do? She's like, no, that's it. If I tell you, don't touch her. Exactly. Good. That's it. That's it. That's reality. That's reality. You can't live in the world where you can, but it's not going to help you.